how to disable any plugin in Claude Code CLI. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can disable any particular plugin in Claude Code CLI. So in order to disable any plugin, all you will need to do is simply follow these easy steps. First, launch your Claude Code CLI, and then after launching in your Claude Code, simply type in the command that is a / and then you're gonna type in plugins. Now, once you have typed in the command, simply hit the enter button, and from here you can see this particular tab. Now, in this tab, you need to go to this install tab right here using your arrow keys. And within the install, you can see all of the plugins that have been installed in your system. So as you can see, I have this context 7 plugin, which let's say I want to disable. So disabling does not mean that you are uninstalling it, you are just simply disabling it. So hit the enter button, and from here you can see this first option, that is disable plugin. Simply hit the enter button, and now it says that context 7 is disabled. In order to apply the changes, simply hit this particular command, that is reload plugins, and hit the enter button, and now you can see that the following context or the following plugin has been successfully disabled. So that was all for the tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.